So right now I start with sectors. Sector-wise, XLC is leading, but it's kind of pulling back a little bit. It's right at VWAP, watching volume pulling back, but it's selling, but
right.
not a lot of
Blockchain
volume
shares
with
popping
it.
here again. The January 30, $28
I'm
put
actually
sheet being
expecting
sold.
this.
Seeing multiple trades on that.
Seeing this pulling back, but I'm expecting
Romeo
buyers to
India
probably
Oscar
step in.
Tango.
So I'm expecting buyers to step in. When I think of XLC, I immediately think of either like Google or Facebook or something like that. So I'm gonna go over Facebook, taking a look. I'm seeing the same sort of setup, volume pulling back, and kind of weird consolidation point. Seeing the $3 range on Facebook, seeing somebody buy 200 contracts that expire today. It's pretty interesting. The 370 strike, Facebook's currently at 371. I'm seeing things trail back. I'm kind of curious why they would buy that. See, this is the kind of thing that I'll be looking for. You're seeing 294, 100, $3,
Pharmaceuticals
100,
popping to the high on volume,
$7.25,
$7.25. Alpha Romeo Delta
50.
Sandy.
That's money. I'm gonna buy that.
Infections. That was on the FDA website
That was
earlier
about
now.
3.
A press release from AbbVie. Alpha Bravo Victor.
3 Facebooks.
Shares of AbbVie. Near
370 strike.
off the highs now, near the highs, 118.50, up about 0.8% for Alpha
filled
Bravo.
for 295. I'm just gonna chill. So I'm looking at the lower time frame, specifically on the 3-minute. I'm seeing volume pulling back. So this is about where I was expecting for buyers to step in for this actual strike. That people are indeed stepping in. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I'm still expecting.
T2 Biosystems says, "I'm pleased to inform you that
Expecting a very strong move
detecting
based on what's going on volume-wise."
Identified in Peru. That's TTOO shares off the highs down $1.10. Tango, Oscar.
Isn't that beautiful? We got filled for 295, and we're all the way up at 390.